Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mobile Mastery Hacks. Today in this video I am gonna show you how to use Face ID to install apps from the app stores. So without wasting our time, just click on App Store here. Let's take some demo first. Either it is working or not. So install any of the website here. Let's suppose we are installing 8 ball pool here. So while clicking on 8 ball pool, you are seeing install option here, and here he is asking for password. So what we do is to use Face ID to install apps, just go to settings, then here click on screen time, then here Face ID, and then enter your password here. So here you will find the option iPhone, iTunes, and App Store here. So put your password again here and enable it. Then came back to the settings and click here again on string timing. So here on content and privacy restriction you have to enable it, and on content restriction, sorry, iTunes, you have to click on don't require. After this, just open your app store. Now again see, so let's click on again 8 ball pool, and here is the option double click to install. So here is the Face ID. So hope